Understanding the phrase, cool hand. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss. The phrase, cool hand. This is a phrase you might come across in books, movies, or even in everyday conversations. So, let's dive in and find out what it means and how you can use it in your own conversations. The phrase, cool hand, is often used to describe a person who remains calm and composed, especially in stressful or challenging situations. It implies that the person is able to maintain their composure and think clearly, without letting their emotions get the better of them. For example, if someone is called a cool hand in a high-pressure work environment, it means that they are known for staying calm and collected, even when things are going wrong or when there is a lot of pressure to perform well. The origin of the phrase, cool hand, is somewhat unclear, but it is believed to have originated from poker, a popular card game. In poker, a cool hand would refer to a player who does not show any emotion, regardless of whether they have a good or bad hand of cards. This ability to remain calm and composed helps them to play better and not give away any information to their opponents. Now that we know what cool hand means and where it comes from, let's look at how you can use this phrase in sentences. Even though the project was falling apart, Jenny was a cool hand and managed to get everything back on track. During the intense negotiation, he remained a cool hand, not letting the other party see his concern. She's known as a cool hand in the kitchen, always remaining calm, even when cooking for a large group of people. So there you have it, a complete guide to understanding and using the phrase, cool hand. Remember, a cool hand is someone who stays calm and composed, no matter what the situation is. We hope you found this video helpful, and we can't wait to see you use cool hand in your own conversations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more English language learning content. See you next time.